Hello friends, today I am going to recite 1000 digits of pi. As all of you know, pi is 22 by 7. So it is approximately 3.141592 and so on. The irrational number which pi is, its decimal digits do not follow any standard pattern and they never repeat. So you can start from now and go until infinity and you will not find a very standard repeating pattern. And that's the reason why pi is a very favorite toy of most of the memory athletes. So I am going to recite 1000 digits of pi from the beginning till the end. That will take about 6 to 7 minutes. Then in the second part, I will recite the 100 digits, the last 100 digits, that is 900 to 1000, but in a reverse order. Just to save time, I will do only 100. And thereafter, I will explain how this is possible, how it can be achieved. So here we begin. So let us begin. 14159265358 793238462 383279502 884197169 399375 10582097494 592307 816 406 286 208 998 628 034 825 342 117 067 982 148 086 513 282 306 647 09384 609 550 582 231 725 359 408 128 481 117 450 284 102701 938 521 105 559 644 622 948 954 930381 964 428 810 975 665 933 446 128 475 648 233 786 783 165 271 201 909 145 648 566 923 460 348 610 454 326 648 213 393 607 260 249 141 273 724 587 006 606 315 588 174 881 520 920 962 829 254 091 715 364 367 892 590 360 011 330 530 548 820 466 521 384 146 951 941 511 609 433 057 270 365 759 591 953 092 186 117 381 932 611 793 105 118 548 074 462 379 962 749 567 351 885 752 724 891 227 938 183 011 949 129 833 673 362 440 656 643 086 021 394 946 395 224 737 190 702 179 860 943 702 770 539 217 176 293 176 752 384 674 718, 467 669, 405 132, 000 568 127 145, 263 560, 827 785, 771 342, 757 789, 609 173, 637 178, 721 468 440 901, 224 953, 430 146, 549 585, 371 050, 792 279, 689 258 923 542, 019 956 112 129, 021 960, 864 034, 418 159, 813 629, 774 771, 309 960, 518 707, 211 349, 999 998, 372 978, 049 951, 059 731 732, 816, 096 318, 595 024, 459 455, 346 908, 302 642, 522 308, 253 344, 685 035, 261 931, 188 171, 010 003 137, 838, 752 886, 587 533, 208 381, 420 617, sorry, I go back, 420 617 177, 669, 147 303, 598 253, 490 428 755, 468 731, 159 562, 863, 882 353, 787, 593, 751 957, 781 857, 780 532, 171 226, 806 613, 001, 927, 876 611, 195, 909, 216, 420, 1989. Now I will recite the numbers from 1000 to 901 in the reverse order. You will see the numbers on the screen. You will have to just say and you go from right to left all throughout, so that you will be able to see whether the numbers which I am reciting are correct or not. So here I go. 9891, 024 612, 909 591, 116 678, 729 100, 316 608, 622 171, 235 087, 758 187, 759 157, 395 787, 353 288, 368 265, 951 137, 864 557, 824 094, 352 895. Thank you. So friends, here I would like to just explain as to how we do this. Now here if you have seen, I have split the numbers into the blocks of 3. So for each 3 digits I have an image. So like that from 000 to 999 I have got 1000 images. So when you put 3 digits, then you have 1000 possibilities. If you put another 3 digits by the side of the first 3 digits, then the number of permutations and combinations is 1000 into 1000, which is 1 million. And if you really want to extend it further, if you add another 3 digits, then you have combinations and permutations of 1000 into 1000 into 1000, which is 1 billion. So what we do is we take the images and put them on locations. They are called as memory palace. And you just convert the number into an image, and you go on from the first location to the last. And when you want to recall, you go back to the same location, and this time you have to decipher or decode that image into the number. So just for example, the first 3 digits were 141. Now based on a system called as measure system, based on the phonetics or the sounds, these numbers can be converted. So there are codes for each of these digits starting from 0 to 9. So 141 is dart. Now I can explain that in my next video as to how this coding can be done. And so once you have this, then it becomes very easy for you to retrieve all that you have memorized. So I hope you have liked this video. So I would like to stop over here. So thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. Thank you.